I'm shooting with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, and this is just natural light. The sun is towards the back, and this is the front, but it hits towards you and not this way. And there's nothing special set up on the camera. It's on the green. And here we are, no light on. And what I'm going to do is show you the light I got up here. When I turn it on, it goes on to a default. It gives me enough light so I could do my work over here. And you see how it's dark over here, but light this way. And I need to light this area up. So I had this light, went to repurchase, and it's over here. I have it on a stand, a professional stand. I also have other types of lights. You're saying maybe I should stand more this way so the light hits me here so you see everything here. And this is dark, and these are the other lights right here. I put this as my filler light over here. And I turn it on. It's a single long press on low. That shouldn't be too bad. It fills in the area. It doesn't get in your way if I adjust the camera. And I have a second level of light and a third level of light, and that's bright. So if I take my camera and I'm going to grab you and I'm going to shift you over here so it doesn't show, and the two cameras out of the light area, then the light is filled in, does a good job. So like I said, this light up here, I ordered another one. But before I ordered it, I got the same light without a remote control. The remote control's on the wall, and it controls that. This is not remote control. So having this and trying to set it up and run it, not really going to be what I want to do. It'll last me a whole day on. So I got myself a second light over here, as you can see. And let me show you that stand like we were saying before, a professional stand. I could raise it up higher than the ceiling, bring it out as far as I need. And it'll go on default as well, the green button. And look how brighter that light is compared to this. It's too bright. So let me shut this off and change the camera angle for you. And it lights up the area, what I need to do. But I'm not putting it over here in the front into the camera. This one basically shines down for the table. And the remote control won't work with that one. I have to use the wall remote. They're separate. So it lights the area pretty well. I'm going to bring the light behind the camera, shining so you get an idea of what it looks like. So the light is basically facing about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock this way, coming down on this angle. And it's behind the camera. And that does a nice job lighting up. I'm not staring into the light, not looking straight at it. And I'm going to take it and hang it just like I have this one here. Mount it to the wall, adjust it, hook it up to an external battery inside along with the solar panel outside. And this way, they don't have to be taken down and recharged. They don't do any flickering to the camera. They work nice and deep, and they do a great job. This one seems to be an outdated or prototype. The one that you see back there seems to be the better one, an updated version. I'm going to shut off this light, and that basically does the trick. One light would do it all. So this one's going to now get replaced and put to a different area. And maybe I just need one light, then two. But at least I have two lights to light the area. So if you're looking for one of these solar-powered work lights, 12,000 milliamp battery that lasts for hours on end, that you could change from a warm to a cool Kelvin to the full Kelvin. And you'll see what the light does. And this is back to the full power. Now you may see the camera doing some adjustments. Now we also have the police mode. And when you go back to the regular one, it goes to default. If it's too bright, I could lower it down in increments. And that would conserve more power. So I basically went over in detail about everything on this. I hold it increased to the maximum power. The thing is, when you're set up into blue and you shut the light off, and then you turn the light back on, it goes to the default setting, which is what I like and works for my needs. You can't set it to the cool 6500 blue light. It's set to the maximum. And that's the way these lights work. Check them out. There may be something you need for your YouTube studio or what you want to use them for your needs. I hope this video may have been helpful. And if you want to know how to modify it, put a wire into the unit. Simple drill, simple wire, simple solder, a solar panel, run up, 50, 75 feet of cable, charges the unit all day long. Enjoy.